During a heavy rainstorm in May of 2020, 10 inches of water breached the Kathryn Linnemann Branch Library in St. Charles. As a result, flooring, furniture, and shelving suffered extensive damage.
When repairs began, crews uncovered long-term structural damage to the walls, floors, and foundation. After months of repairs and renovations, the St. Charles City County Library is pleased to welcome you back to the Kathryn Linnemann Branch. Take a look at some of the exciting new features that were incorporated into the building.
A new welcome desk is situated just inside the front door so staff can assist you in finding what you need. There is also a convenient place to return materials.
A nearby bank of self-checkout stations makes it easy for you to check out your items quickly and privately. Don't forget your library card. Not sure about using self-checkout? Staff are nearby to assist.
The new audio alcove gives listeners an expanded selection of audiobooks and music. Browse for all of your favorites in one place. Enjoy expanded seating options with chairs, booths, and comfortable workspaces for reading, writing, and studying. The public computer stations at the library have gotten an update. New carols keep you comfortable and connected while you study, surf, work, or apply for jobs. You can also choose standing computer stations.
The most dramatic change at the Kathryn Linnemann Branch might be the new enclosed teen space. This area has been in planning for several years and was already under construction when the flood happened. In the afternoons, this space is dedicated to teens and tweens for group study sessions, classes and events, and after-school gatherings. The walls keep sound contained so customers of all ages can enjoy the library.
The children's area looks a little different too. The new youth service desk allows for easy access to staff for questions or suggestions while you browse the shelves. Materials have been reorganized to make it easy for parents and kids to find the books they ask for most often. And new arrivals are front and center.
And of course, the Kathryn Linnemann Branch now boasts watertight windows and walls and a solid foundation. Fresh paint and carpet are beautiful bonuses. Your library is a safe, secure, and comfortable place to read, browse, and gather once again. We can't wait to see you back at the library.
Welcome back!